I recently exported my car from US to Canada, and after you have exported your car and imported the car into Canada, you would have to go to RIV inspection, and the deadline for the RIV inspection is 45 days from the time you have imported the car into Canada. One of the requirements in order to register the car plates for a car imported into Canada is the RIV inspection and the safety standard certificate inspection. And for the RIV inspection, you need daytime running lights. And for many of the cars in US, there are no daytime running lights, especially in older cars. Now, if you want to get the daytime running lights installed in your car, I have actually visited many places. I have asked Canadian Tire if they install it. They say no. But if you search online, it shows a few locations in Windsor, Canada, where they perform the daytime running lights. Even they mentioned Toyota Service Center does it, authorized service center, I mean. But all the information that is available online is not true. There is only one place in Windsor, Ontario that does the daytime running lights, and I'm gonna show you that location. I finally got my DRL lights. So as you can see, it is currently set to auto, and these are the daytime running lights. And if you want to get a daytime running light in your car in Windsor, this is the only location that does it. It's called Exclusive Sound Most Classic. It's open Monday to Tuesday 7 to 3, and Wednesday 7 to 12, Thursday to Friday 7 to 3 p.m. And after 3 p.m. and Saturday, it is by appointment only. So Muff is the person who owns this, and he's really sweet and does a great job. Please visit him. Thank you.